Welcome back, fellas, into this new video of TechExpress. I'm going to be showing you how to get started with Java. So if you are trying to play Minecraft, for example, run a business application, or even start coding, you might need it to use Java. So nowadays we almost always install the JDK, which includes the runtime for the running application plus the tools needed to build them. But let's say that usually the latest long-term support version of the Java, sometimes it will be appearing to your computer unless you download it manually. So to download this manually, I wanted to go for oracle.com, which usually it will be appearing like this, oracle.com. I go for the fast right IPA section and go for Java. Just like this, it will be sending me back here into Oracle. Now, if you go here for the see the tab, the Java 26, you can go for Java 25 and click into the Java 1, which will be appearing now in March. In my case, I go here for the Java 25 and early version is available now. So if you wanted to download this really fast, usually what I do is to go for Java downloads. And here we have now the different versions. For example, in my case, I wanted to go for Windows. And here we have the 64 installed. Here's the compressed archive, but usually you wanted to select the Windows tab and download the 64 installer. This is for 64-bit system, which almost all Windows 10 and 11 PCs are in 2026. So you click directly inside here, and just like that, the Oracle Java will be appearing into the upper right corner, downloadable sections. Now, if you are a developer who prefers open source, you can also get the Microsoft build of OpenJDK or Eclipse to more. The installation steps are nearly identical, but that's totally up to you. Now, what I need to do is just to wait till the installation has now been correctly added. And once it has now been correctly finished, you want to click directly into the downloadable installer, which in my case is now appearing as done. And then you wanted to click for the option that says next. You wanted to take note of this folder path because we will need it in the next step, which is to tell Windows where Java is located. So click next and wait for the successful install that the message has now been correctly appeared. In my case, will be appearing here into the C program files Java. So I hit for next, and there we go. The status will be appearing here into the upper section. And now the part everyone skips, but I think it's a little bit important to take in mind, is that setting the path. So setting the environmental variables and clicking to edit the system section, let's say close. You can click into new, for example, for variable names, type in Java home in all caps. For variable, paste the path from earlier C program files Java JDK specifications. But let's say, for example, that the environment variables, it will be appearing directly into the home path. If you have any questions, you can let us know into the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. If you want to see more quick tips of how we can actually get started with the Java and more documentation competence paged. So thank you guys so much for watching the video. Hopefully with all of this being said, we can all see you well next time.